Hi, I want to show you how to build up a chart. And a warm welcome to one and all. And for those of you who have not seen me before, my name is Langers, and I am the style icon that is the Scruffy Trader. Well, it's about as stylish as I get anyway. There's a good reason why I'm called Scruff. But are my charts scruffy? No, they're not. Let me show you. I've pulled up one of my favourite products, which is the DAX. If between sort of all the instruments you can trade, I do like the indices. I find them a little bit calmer than Forex, and the DAX is definitely one of those markets that is fabulous for day trading. So if you do like all of that, smash the like, click the subscribe button, all that good stuff, and we'll continue this journey. So what do you see when you first switch the screen on? Well, here is a 5-minute chart, and the first thing I see is my coffee. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
And if you haven't been here before, that's Winky, the love of my life. And popular to believe, she is actually my wife.
Are you serious?
Because some idiot Popeye decided that I hire her in.
You ding dong!
Come here, my love.
Why would you do that?
See, if I hired her in, would I be able to touch her like this? Actually, you're right, I probably would.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Anyway, sorry. Do you like being married?
I do, yes.
Are you my real wife?
I am.
Oh, yeah. Why are you saying that with a grimace on your face? We've been married a long time.
I did.
You did? Oh, she's come back now. She might even hurt me.
A stupid man!
Ow, you're hurting me!
Go on, hurt me. Go on, be good.
I'll take your coffee away, that'll hurt you.
Cow. Sorry. This is a real working office, by the way. And I script nothing. We just have a jolly time all day. Sorry. So what was I saying before I was rudely interrupted? Well, not rudely interrupted. Building a chart and the DAX. I do like the DAX. The DAX is wonderful. So what are we looking at here? See, a lot of newer traders, they'll come in, they'll switch a 5-minute chart on, and they'll go, right, this is it. This is what we trade. And then they'll stick an RSI on. RSI says that, so that's where we go. And why is that? Because they've seen this idiot.
You ding dong!
It doesn't work like that. You've got to understand the chart and get a feel for what's going on. So you need to build it up. And the way to build things up is you start with the daily. Just get a look, see what's going on with it. Well, you can see it's moving up and it's kind of bunching here. So there's not a lot going on. That's not really telling you anything. Not really. And why is that? Because the body's in the middle and you've got two long tails. However, that, which is today, is showing it's green, so the pressure's up, but there's a big long tail at the top. So there's a tussle going on. Okay. So what had happened the day before? Well, the day before was up. That was up. That was up. So was this profit taking and a little bit of a news event? And then the continuation? We don't know. So we need to start putting things in to shore this up. Well, the first thing you can do is put a little trend line in. Now, I don't like trend lines because they're subjective. But what it's showing you is the move is up, helping you get a bias. All right. And that's the first thing you need to do, get a bias. So the bias on this is up. All right. Pull it down onto the hour so we can have a look, see what's going on. Well, there's the trend line you've just drawn in. big thumper, respected, come away, thumper, it hasn't come down. So we could put another trend line in there so we can see how it's moving. But let's move back slightly. There's your 4 hour. Look how many times that is sort of being respected. Okay. And there again, on the 4 hour, you can see the pressure pushing up after that thump. And that is coming down. Okay. So it's kind of, this is the range you want to be looking at. This one here. All right, this 4 hour segment. Let's move it down to the hour so we can see what's going on. Right, let's see if we can start framing the price a little bit. Well, we can see a top and we can see a bottom here. There's another one there, but if the price is here and we're following it down, the bottom is there. Okay, just amongst this lot. So show that up. So it's clustering here and it's clustering there. All right. Now we can see another point here. So we'll just put that on there. Okay. So now we've got roadblocks, cluster, caught between two. Looks like we're a little bit late to the party. If we get up there, there's a lot of free space. So let us take it down to a 15-minute and let's have a look, see what's going on. Okay. Well, how far is that? 87. So if that's pushing up, that's going to be a stall point. All right, okay. And it is pushing up. So let's have a look. Take it down to 5 minutes. See where we are. Well, it's having a royal old buy up at the moment. It's now 1 o'clock, new hour. We're going to buy it. Just like so. Now I don't think that's going to hold too well. Okay. So just come down. I'm looking for about 10 pips. Which is there. And we're going to put that order just on the top of there. Whoop. Not quite. There we go. And we're going to put 2 in. Because looking at this, I think it's going to rattle. Okay. I'm just being a little bit conservative with the targets. Because what we also going to do is we can see this solid move here. Let's just go back slightly. There's absolutely nothing there. Okay. So I'm going to just show this up again with a fib. Okay. So there we go. Right. So what we'll do, there we are. Okay. So we'll put a couple of orders in. Now those orders are based on structure points. I do want this to break. So maybe it's in. So push up, the force up, catch at the 50% and then around the 61.8. Seems reasonable target. And we'll leave it for the next hour and see what happens. So just drop it down into a 5 minutes so we can watch it. Now if the price recedes on itself and goes backwards, I'll just follow this down. But in the meantime, we'll just leave it to run up. Simple stuff. And this is a simple way to make a chart. It really is. I'll catch you at the end. Okay guys, there you go. That's the first part of this done. Yes, it stopped me out, but it's paid me. So let's have a look. Or at least it will do when it wakes up. There we go. Happy days. So what's you looking at? So there we are. It's 1:30. So in a little over half an hour, I would say that's a decent amount of money. All right. It was done relatively safely. Hardly went against me because we looked at a high time frame, worked it down. One of the reasons why I open up 2 trades is, well, you often see me open up multiple trades. It's because you never actually know how far a market's going to go. And it also helps me manage the trade. So the first one went up, took out the full whack. I started seeing it struggling, so I just took some off the table with the other one, which paid me very well. Pulled it into break even because I've been paid. If it ran on, wonderful. If it didn't and comes and stops me out, doesn't matter, because I'd rather have 80% of a winner than 100% of a loser. And that's it. That's your trade for the day. Very, very easy. And ultimately, what I'm driving at with this today is a clean chart is better than a messy chart with loads of indicators and everything on it. You can use indicators, but indicators are exactly what they say they are. They're an indication of what's going on. The best indicator is what you're looking at right here, and it's the price itself. Okay, so that is that. Happy days. So I'm now going to go terrorize Winky because I think she owes me another coffee. It's been at least... Hey, Wink. Guess what? She's not answering, so that's a case of no, go make it myself. Okay, so that's what I'll do. By all means, guys, keep dropping your comments below. I'm really interested in your thoughts. I'm very easy found if you want to contact me. You find me on my blog, but there's loads of links in the description below. And if you're looking for a decent broker, at the moment, BlackBull are offering very good leverages at the time of this video. And also the 5% is if you want to look at a prop fund and stretch your pennies out a little bit more. Yes, you buy into the platform, but you get a big pot of money and a profit split. So it's actually worthwhile. And you get 5% discount using the links. Okay, so that's it for today. Do it all again tomorrow. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, then the money will follow. See you all in the next one.